17 ounces bar. It's an amazing place with a whole lot of variety of drinks. I'm having something called as watermelon mojito. It's amazing, and you see that it's smoking hot. At the same time, it's absolutely cool. How you guys enjoy the shots? Yeah, it was good. Okay, we just had a good time. So you need to really check out 17 ounces. They're an amazing bunch of guys who can really make you, well, not drunk, but make you feel high. Cedric signing off.